Hi, I'm Landquist and I've been a colorist for many years. As a salon owner myself, I know how important a personalised colour and cut is to make a client feel very special and ultimately loyal to you and your salon. With the launch of the new TIGI Copyright Care and Styling line, we can now offer a truly personalised salon service from start to finish to get personal hair perfection for every single client, every time. It all starts with an insightful consultation. The human head has over 100,000 hair fibres, and each of these have different thicknesses, elasticity and shape. Because of this diversity of hair fibres on one single client, customizing a care routine is crucial to maintain hair condition and colour longevity. TIGI Copyright SOS Extreme Recovery Treatment with Marine Protein Complex gives dramatic results to any client arriving with severely damaged, over-processed hair or can be used after bleaching services. It strengthens and reconstructs, leaving hair looking totally renewed, healthy and strong. Unlike other treatments, it's not mixed with your colour or bleach, and so it doesn't affect colour performance. The results are unbelievable. Hair feels dramatically stronger and smoother from root to tip. When it comes to cleansing your client's hair, making sure that they use the right care routine is key. All TIGI Copyright shampoos and conditioners are enriched with vitamins essential for healthy hair and are designed to be completely colour safe. The magic of customization happens with the new and exclusive TIGI Copyright booster treatments, Shine, Smooth and Repair. These intense formulas are fully intermixable, transforming your client's hair with advanced ingredients like our keratin bond complex. Simply assess the needs of your client's hair and add those boosters to the luxurious universal treatment base. This is very easy to recreate at home with our retail size boosters. The booster recommended by you is easily mixed with a TIGI Copyright conditioner to give personally perfect results at home. So that's it. You've seen how easily you can customize your salon service from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope you love the TIGI Copyright approach as much as I do.